Hello everyone! Today we have these adorable Sing-A-Ma-Lings. Sing-A-Ma-Lings are silly little singing things. You squeeze their tummies and they make all kinds of noises. As you can see, there are 6 Sing-A-Ma-Lings to collect. They each have a special song to sing. When they get together, they can all harmonise with each other. And they even have their own special language, which they call jibber jabber. Today, we're going to be singing a song with Noodle. Time to say goodbye to the other Sing-A-Ma-Lings. Noodle looks like so much fun. He's got a funky red t-shirt, fuzzy pink hair and a matching pink moustache. And his fluffy green fur is so soft. Let's get him out of the box. Let's make sure we take his sticker off. Doesn't he look fantastic? Shall we see all the ways we can play by squeezing his hand?
Hey!
Let's choose jibber jabber, and then we can squeeze his tummy to make different sounds. This is Noodle's song. It's one of my favourites. It's called On Top of Spaghetti.
On a spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I long for meatball when I'm eating. On a spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I long for meatball when I'm eating.
That was great! Thanks for singing with us today, Noodle. You sang it wonderfully. We hope you find your meatball. Time to go though. We'll see you next time. Bye!